Okay, so in this experiment, we will understand the concept of virtual LAN VLAN and also inter VLAN routing. So the idea is that in this topology, we are creating three virtual LANs: VLAN 10, 20, and 30, and these are the respective uh, network IPs. And network and VLAN 1, which is the default management VLAN. The network IP is this. Now the switches, these access switches, the three access switches are respectively their IP addresses are a part of VLAN 1, and we have the three PCs over here uh, who are each in VLAN 10, 20, and 30 respectively. And we have a server which is in another another VLAN known as VLAN 100 in a separate VLAN, that is just a different VLAN. So the concept of VLAN is that in one particular switch I might have PCs which are not in the same laboratory. For example, I can have a switch in one lab and I can have a switch in another lab but connected to the same switch. So this is within a LAN, we are creating a virtual LAN so that the frame can reach its intended destination. So it is, you can say, a network within a network. So we have to configure. So this is a multi-layer switch in which the configuration of the VLAN is done. Now the important point to understand here is the difference between the trunk and access port. Trunking is done to enable the concept of virtual LAN. So these three ports will be trunk ports, and we are basically in a layer 2 infrastructure. The connection between the core switch and the access switch will be trunking, and the connection between the PC and the switch will be an access. So this will be an access port. So the commands are is that first we create this port as an access port, and the other three ports, these three ports as trunk ports. So just one example of creating a trunk port, and we use encapsulation trunk encapsulation .1q. This is just this is an extra packet header which is added, 4-byte header, to identify which virtual LAN the packet belongs to. So this, and for every VLAN we have an IP address with a subnet mask assigned. So VLAN 1 has this, VLAN 10, VLAN 20, 30, and VLAN 100. Now to enable access, we can use the concept of VTP, wherein we have specified a domain name, and for now the interface between the access switch and the core switch has to be a trunk. So that is what we've done over here, and the interface between the switch and the PC, that should be access, as well as we have to specify the VLAN that it belongs to, so which we have specified. And for every switch we also need to specify the default gateway. The other default gateway is the IP of the internet address of the router. The core switch over here. And this here, so for example, if I look at this PC, it has an IP address of 10.1.20.20. So if I go to desktop and I ping 10.1.20.20, ideally it should happen. First packet should get lost to understand the path, and then we get the remaining, so 3 replies, which means the ping command is working. Similarly, we can ping the other way around. This has an IP address of 10.1.20.20, now that the path is known, we get 100% success. All 4 packets that were sent were received. And also, if we want, we can ping the server as well, which is an IP of 10.1.100.100. So ping 10.1.100.100. So the packet will go through the access switch, then to the core switch, and then to the server, and then the server will reply. So this is how routing, inter VLAN routing is done.